Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to show you very beautiful art with this kind of thread. Alright, we're going to start. I want to say that over here I made very beautiful cushion for the chair, for wooden chair. You know, when you instant to buy a pillow, you can do with this. It's very comfortable, cozy. You will sit on it. Let me show you how it's gonna look. There is all kind of colors that you can use, and it's very comfortable. I'm going to show you how to do it, that you don't have to use no needle and nothing. So by just it by itself. So you know that when you sit on the couch always sags, and it will hurt your tailbone, or you're not comfortable. Or you can make this for your family, father, when they sit on a wheelchair. It's very cushiony and comfortable, even for you. When you use this, it will never get flat. So now I want to show you easy way how to make it. This is a yarn, which is puffy. They sell it, I'm sure, all over the places. You can find it. This thing, you can make it bigger for your children, babies, when they are in a playpen, in case if they fall or whatever. You can even make it for your bathroom. When you take a shower, you come out, you can step on it. You can make, of course, bigger. This is for my wooden chair, and sometimes I take this with me on the couch because it's very comfortable. Now I want to show you how you can do this. It's just a simple chain we're gonna start. I hope you can see very well. We're gonna do just simple chain with finger, couple of them, few of them, just like this. And I'm sure everybody knows how to do it. You just go over and you take it out. You just go over and you take it out. After you do this, doesn't matter how much, how long, how many do you do, always at the end you can hide someplace at the end. You can do this way, and it will hide. So anyway, now what we have to do is, again, let me make another chain and pull it a little bit more high up. So now the ends over here that you see, like I said, there is no rule, regulation. How do you do it? You can do this circle, you can do this square, you can do triangle, whatever you want. So now the first one that you see here, you make it a little longer to bring it to the how they call, you bring it from another chain out, pull it a little bit, and there is no rule regulation where do you put, as long as you don't put it like this, you know, far away. You make sure that it's closer wherever you put, as long as it's comfortable to come out from the chain. And then you take this chain, every time you put someplace, you just have to take the chain and go out from the other chain. And then you go, you don't have to go next to it. You can always jump. You can jump, you take one. I usually put this on the table, but doesn't matter. You can do either way you want. Now, I want to make it maybe circle. So you can put this on the table like this to make it easier for you. And then this one you can hide it later on wherever. It will be hidden. So we go out from whichever chain you want, close one, and you take this and you push it in. Usually what I do, I put my finger from both holes like this and I pull it out. That's what I usually do. Makes it easier for you. Now we're gonna put here, and then you take it, the thread, and you bring it out like this. And then when you see it's a little closer, too tight, so what you do, you make it a little bigger, pull the thread, and go this way. Make it a little bigger, put your finger, you pull it out, and go to the next. It's not gonna show any mistakes. Like I said, no rule regulation. You just put this on the floor, on the table, and bring it from wherever you want you make your judgment if it's too long or too short, and just braid it. No fear, no stress. Just go and go round and round. You can, like I said, if you want to make, now this one, it looks like it's getting rounder. If I want to make square, for example, I just have to go straight down like this, for example. Let's say I will do like this, and I will continue because I want to go square. And then I will return back this way and go down, and then come back and then go down, and you know, go up and down. If you want to make circle, like this is square over here, for example, you just do your own judgment and see how you can do it. So now we're going to pull another again and go here. I might make it circle, or I might make it square, and it will look very, very beautiful. Look, now for example, while it's a little short, I can pull it out, or I can let it go and take another chain and then bring it in. So still it will be okay. So there is, like I said, there is nothing get confused or make it wrong. Now I can go this way and make it round again, or I can go this way back again and fill it in. So it's gonna be very, very simple and very easy work for you, and you're gonna enjoy it. You're gonna love it while you're sitting on it. It's very cozy, it's very comfortable, it is beautiful. All right, I think I took it a little too much. There you go. So this is the way you will do it. Simple art and beautiful thing to do. And the thread doesn't have to be, you know, turn this way or turn that way. Just do it as it comes to your hands. And this is the way you will do. Now I can see that it's getting round and round. So this is the project that you will do. I want to put here so you can see it. And like I said, when you finish at the ends, which I have here one, I finished it. I think I put it over here. At the end, what you do is, let me see, here we go. You tie it at the ends, and then you'll put it through, and then you hide it in one of the knitting place. And there we go. You won't even know where you started and where you finished it. It's a very beautiful project. It's so cushiony, comfortable. You're going to enjoy. Your kids are going to enjoy. Even you can do for your pets to come and to relax on it. Well, I hope that you like this project. No knit needle, no knit thread. Just by itself, you do this art. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll go and you check all my videos, because I have lots of variety activities, cooking, needle laces, construction work, whatever you like. I thank you again. Please leave comments and like and subscribe. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.